Welcome to Best Choice. The best rock tumbler is probably one of the most rewarding hobbies you can get into. Rock tumbling is a fascinating process that transforms ordinary, rough stones into dazzling, polished gems. In this video, we'll dive into the world of rock tumblers, exploring how they work, what to look for when buying one, and how to get started on your own rock tumbling journey. Get ready to turn those dull rocks into sparkling treasures. Number 5. Blue Marble National Geographic Rock Tumbler Kit. Want to create your own gemstones? This kit makes it fun and easy to turn rough rocks into beautifully polished gemstones. It's simple to operate and has a durable design. This high-quality tumbler is made to last for years with its durable motor. The leak-proof rubber barrel also reduces sound, making it much quieter than other models. It's an excellent STEM activity. Everything you need is included to create polished gemstones. The kit comes with the tumbler, polishing grits, a sifter, rough gemstones, and a detailed learning guide. It's a great gift. Simple instructions and one-touch settings make rock tumbling fun and easy. You can control the cycle time with the one-touch timer and automatic shutoff. Set it and forget it. Blue Marble is a winner of the Toy Association's Toy of the Year award. The company develops products that foster education and creativity. They also have a US support team. What we like. This rock tumbler is designed to last, with a durable motor and leak-proof barrel. It comes with everything you need to get started, including rough gemstones and polishing grits. If you are looking for a complete and easy-to-use kit, this is an excellent choice for both kids and adults. What people say. Almost no assembly, at all. Extremely easy to understand the directions. Because there are 4 different grit types with different purposes, the children get to return to their project, dump the rocks and check on the progress and start a new phase. It's a great opportunity to teach about erosion, and explain what a rock looks like through millions of years of erosion, and then further explain how incredible it is that we are doing this project together that mimics what nature does. We are polishing these rocks in a few weeks that takes millions of years to do in nature. It's a wonderful learning opportunity for children, as well as an extremely engaging project that, although it may take quite some time for it to finish, the ongoing project itself is what makes it fun. Number 4. National Geographic Rock Tumbler Refill Kit. This refill kit includes 3 pounds of rocks from Madagascar. You'll find rose quartz, jasper, and more. It's an awesome assortment that you will treasure forever. The rock polishing grit in this pack is high-quality silicon carbide. It will polish 8 to 10 pounds of rocks. It also includes a measuring scoop and storage containers for easy storage. Ceramic tumbler media makes the entire rock tumbling process more effective. It improves the delivery of rock tumbling grit, quiets tumbler noise, and reduces rock breakage. It also acts as a filler for smaller batches. Gem foam is a unique new rock polisher media. It gives unprecedented shine to tumbled rocks. Just add it to your tumbler after the final grit cycle for great results. The National Geographic STEM series provides high-quality products that are a whole lot of fun. If your experience is anything less than extraordinary, let us know so we can make it right for you. What we like. This refill kit provides a variety of rocks from Madagascar, ensuring you have plenty to tumble. The high-quality grit and innovative gem foam will give your rocks an exceptional shine. If you are looking to enhance your rock tumbling results and enjoy a diverse collection of rocks, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Everything is included except the rocks, tumbling compound and water. Good clear instruction. Final polish on the stones look really good. Easy instructions. It helps shaping stones too. It is a little sound and I'm living 2 floors, so I put a box on it to make the noise more silent. Number 3. National Geographic Rock Tumbler Kit. This kit includes high-quality silicon carbide grit, perfect for polishing rocks. It can polish 8 to 10 pounds of rocks, and comes with a measuring scoop and storage containers. Ceramic tumbler media makes the process more effective. It improves grit delivery, reduces noise and breakage, and acts as a filler for smaller batches. This kit introduces a new way to make tumbled rocks shine. Gem foam is a unique polishing media that gives unprecedented shine to tumbled rocks after the final grit cycle. The supplies in this set are safe to use with any rock tumbler. The grit, ceramic pellets, and gem foam work together to improve performance and yield impressive results. We are proud to make high-quality hands-on science products. If you are not satisfied, let us know, and we will make it right for you. What we like. This kit includes high-quality grit, ceramic media, and gem foam to improve your rock tumbling results. The gem foam will give your rocks an unprecedented shine. If you already have a rock tumbler and want to upgrade your supplies for professional-looking results, this kit is a great option. What people say. Everything is included except the rocks, tumbling compound and water. Good clear instruction. Final polish on the stones look really good. Easy instructions. It helps shaping stones too. It is a little sound and I'm living 2 floors, so I put a box on it to make the noise more silent. Number 2. National Geographic Rock Tumbling Kit. Rock tumbling is a fun hobby for all ages. This kit makes it easy to transform rough rocks into polished gemstones. Its simple operation and durable design make it a great choice. The motor is built to last, allowing you to tumble multiple batches. The leak-proof barrel is lined with rubber, ensuring quieter operation. The sturdy base adds to its durability. This kit includes everything you need to get started. It comes with a variety of rough rocks, jewelry fastenings, and polishing grit. You'll have everything to create beautiful gemstones. Detailed instructions guide you through the rock tumbling process. A full-color learning guide provides facts about gemstones. It's a fun and educational experience. We are proud to offer high-quality, hands-on science toys. If you're not satisfied, let us know, and we'll make it right. This is a great STEM activity for kids. What we like. This starter kit offers everything you need to begin your rock tumbling journey. It features a durable and leak-proof design for quiet operation. If you're looking for a straightforward and educational experience, this kit is ideal for beginners and makes a fantastic STEM activity. What people say. The tumbler is easy to use and the instructions are clear. The machine is well built and sturdy. It is very quiet when running. Number 1. KomeStone K1 Professional Rock Tumbler Kit. Discover the KomeStone Rock Tumbler, designed to transform ordinary rocks into stunning gemstones. It's a fun and educational experience for all ages, perfect for sparking creativity and learning about patience. This rock tumbler boasts an LCD screen, a 9-day timer, and 3 speed controls. It also includes a pause-resume function. These features ensure you achieve the perfect polish every time. With a 2.5 pounds capacity, this tumbler lets you polish more rocks at once. The soft rubber barrel reduces noise by 75%, making it quieter than a dishwasher. The kit comes with everything you need to get started, including rough rocks, grits, and a full-color guide. Even a 4-year-old can use it independently. Achieve a museum-quality shine with the 4-stage grit system and ceramic media. The leak-proof lid ensures a mess-free experience. The included guide unlocks professional techniques. Enjoy peace of mind with a 90-day refund guarantee and a 1-year warranty. If you have any issues, our US-based customer service team is available 24/7 to assist you. What we like. This rock tumbler offers a large capacity and advanced features like a digital timer and speed control. The satisfaction guarantee provides peace of mind. If you're a serious hobbyist looking for a professional-grade tumbler with advanced features and a guarantee of quality, this is the one for you. What people say. The tumbler is easy to use and the instructions are clear. It has a good capacity for rocks. The machine is relatively quiet during operation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.